Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Today I wanted to do a top five of my accords. So the first one I have for you today is my Sweet Pineapple Accord. I have put this in the hands of a number of people around the country, and it is a fresh cut ripe pineapple. It is so juicy. It's amazing. I have to say I'm incredibly proud of this Sweet Pineapple Accord. It took me a while to get it how it needs to be, and it's not an easy one to do. It's not easy to do. It is absolutely beautiful. It is like a liquid, it's like pineapple juice almost. It's crazy. Love it. It does wonders to a formula. It's crazy. You just put one drop in a formula and it can change directions. The other thing you can think about is Creed. A lot of Creed fragrances and that type of aroma, that kind of a thing. It doesn't smell like, it's obviously a pineapple accord, and that's what it is, but Creed has some like pineapple accords that's like juicy pineapple, and that's what this is. It's definitely juicy pineapple. The next one is my Deep Leather Accord, and that's 652. I give all of my stuff numbers. This one, sorry, the Sweet Pineapple Accord is 679. I'll put all this in the show notes. Back to the Deep Leather Accord. It is very deep, leathery. It is more of an older leather, very the old Italy in some of their 300, 400, 500 year old buildings, castles, and you think of some of their books, the leather bound books and leather seats from hundreds of years old. That is what this is. I'm not going to say dirty, but definitely not clean new leather. This is the older leather, Italian leather. Oh, absolutely gorgeous with your florals and animalics and wood, and oh, it's absolutely beautiful. But an older leather, older Italian leather. Next one is Green Living Accord. I think I've talked about this before. It is like living stems of different types of flowers. That is the best description of this. It has even a green, slight green tint. It is number 696. When you need a soft and not a sharp green leaf note or stem note, it's not grassy like fresh cut grass. It's not sharp like that. It is like fresh green stems from different types of flowers. So a slight floral hint in the background, and you will not even be able to tell what types of flowers. There's an array of flowers in the background that are beautifully done, and it's just so super smooth, the florals in the background. But this is living green. Ugh, absolutely beautiful. This is for all you people who are new to perfumery and creating your own fragrances. This is a great place to begin and to start. And even those of you who've been doing this for a while, this will give you a totally different new direction rather than just having your traditional sharp green. This is absolutely different and beautiful. And the next one is Hawaiian Accord. This Hawaiian Accord is a great blend of some beautiful tropical fruit with tropical florals that you would find in Hawaii. A beautiful, smooth blend of the two. This you could wear alone. This is a fragrance formula by itself. Absolutely beautifully crafted, where the two just blend together, the different types of florals, different types of tropical fruits put together, where they just are blended cohesively and one does not stand out over the other. Absolutely beautiful. I had been working on that for a while, and it is really nice. I really, really like it. This is number 700, and we'll go to the next one. The next one is Rich White Floral Accord, and that name, Rich, the white petals Floral Accord, it is a little, will go a really long way. And there's many absolutes in here. I will have a link to my Accords price list, and it gives descriptions. With my Accords, I have many absolutes, CO2s, essential oils, and aroma chemicals as well. But a lot of mine will have absolutes and CO2s as well. So, meaning really complex, like orange blossom, tuberose absolute, hello, is in here, linden blossom, neroli essential oil. It's just incredibly complex, incredibly high end, goes a really long way. Oh, absolutely narcotic and beautiful. Heavy scent. So, but a good representation of all the white petals are in here. I, as you know, love those. I love the narcotics. I'm growing my tuberose flowers again, and they're already sprouting. And normally it takes a month before they'll even start sprouting up and the greens will come up. And already in 1 week they started, and it took a month last year. And just in 2 to 3 weeks time, they're already like 6 inches tall. They do not bloom until the fall, so they're one of the weird ones where it takes them a long time, and the green parts, the leaves, will just get really long, and you'll just be waiting, and finally in the fall they will finally bloom. But they're already starting the green coming out of the ground, and they're already 6 inches tall, which is crazy. They're growing like a weed. It's amazing. So excited because I love the white petals. Speaking of another white petal, I'm going to give you a number 6. I've been doing that lately, throwing a number 6 in. But anyway, my Orange Blossom Accord. This is a little amazing and crazy because I have an Orange Blossom Absolute and an Orange Flower Absolute. They're a little different. I'm telling you, they just are. You can look them up. But I have both of those in here, and this is very narcotic. This is very heavy, very, to me, very sensual with the black, darker wood. Oh, agar wood. Blackwood by Firmenich. But then you can go in the direction and add 1 drop of this in any type of floral or any type of jasmine or rose complexity, complexity, complexity. Because when you have just neroli or whatever, which is in here, essential oil, the CO2s and the absolutes have just so much more complexity because they still have the esters and the fats and waxes and that kind of stuff still in there. So that makes it way more complex than just an essential oil. That's why I enjoy it. But this is a little goes a long way, and it is absolutely crazy beautiful. One of my all-time favorites. Oh, Tuberose Absolute, and then this Orange Blossom Accord, number 285. Beautiful. And we'll take a fragrance formula and kick it up and make it absolutely stunning and complex and high-end and just beautiful. I hope this helps. I just gave an array of really different types that I think could give your formulas character, longevity, complexity, that type of thing. So hope you enjoyed this. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget, I will have my Accords list below, and you can access that PDF. I will see you on the next mountain, Aromatics. Have a good day.